What neighbor do you live in?
I live over in Westlake, so my wife and I are over in the Stafford area.
Good afternoon, I'm Jeff. I'm with Sewer Tech Northwest. Today we're at 5115 Southwest Idaho Street here in Portland. Located in the basement of the home. We've got a 4-inch cast iron cleanout, 3-inch cap right next to the rear entrance. This will be the point of access. I'm going to insert the camera and check the overall condition and serviceability of the sanitary sewer line. Here we go. It transitions here. Actually, this appears to be 3-inch cast iron with a 3-inch clean out. And it transitions here to 4-inch ABS plastic at 4 feet out. And transition here to concrete pipe, 6-inch concrete at 18 feet. Okay, and here at 25 feet, it appears that we have reached the terminus for the line. Based on the length of the sewer, this appears to go to an easement. I would check records to verify that that's what it's designated as. And it's especially important to rule out the possibility of a party line connection. I'm going to go locate this real quick. There does appear to be some damage to the line here just prior to the transition. You can see the pipe here. The concrete overall is in kind of rough shape, but we'll see what that looks like when the water drains out. We might get a better shot of it. Okay, I did locate the camera head here where the line terminates. Looks like the line heads out the left rear corner of the house, but it goes out the left side and then terminates right up next to the fence line on the left side of the property. And I marked there with put a white T down to show the transition, or I'm sorry, the connection to the what I believe is an easement. And then I put a X there as well to indicate this spot right here. It looks like the concrete here is worn out. It's hard to tell if that ridge there is a concrete joint or possibly like a root or something, but the bottom of the pipe here is pretty much worn out completely, and you've got kind of a little wall here for stuff to get caught on. It looks like for the most part the pipe here is probably still sealed up and holding water in. It's very difficult to determine that, but the concrete pipe itself, you can see how much aggregate rock is showing through. It's in rough shape. Still, it's actually, I mean, despite this little lip here on the pipe, it doesn't look like much debris has been getting caught here, although it could. My concern is just the longevity of the line. I would say that the line is currently functioning at this time, but in the near future, I would recommend getting it sleeved and fully update it so that it doesn't lead to any problems down the road, because concrete does have a lifespan and it does wear out. As you can see, the mortar just wears out between those rocks, and then at a certain point it just becomes paper thin and the pipe can start breaking. And then you can get roots coming through weak points in the line. But currently the line is functioning at this time, and that's based on how clean it is. There's hardly any debris anywhere in the sewer pipe, and the overall length of it's very short. So a toilet flush moving through here is going very fast, and that's why the debris is able to clear up over the top of this lip here. And I'm not sure if that's the rim of a pipe joint or possibly like a root that's growing right across there. It's very difficult to determine. They're looking similar. So, and I would recommend a spot repair to at least correct this. At this point, though, in its existence, I think the line, you'd be better off just to sleeve the whole concrete section and fully update it rather than to do a spot repair. Alrighty, so overall, once again, I know I've mentioned a couple times, the line is functioning at this time, but due to the condition of the concrete and that either root or lip there about 25 feet, I would recommend having the line sleeved or updated. Sleeving is probably going to be cheaper in this situation to fully update the line in the near future. It's currently functioning, there's no roots, but that concrete pipe is not going to hold up for an extended period of time.